Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Lexus certified pre-owned units. It is a 2016 RX 450 hybrid Executive Plus package in the Nebula Grey Pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a local Calgary car. Some of the features do include LED headlamps with the auto leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, headlamp washers, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, automatic high beam, power liftgate, head-up display, fuel door release, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, also includes the pre-collision, a 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, a 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, a QI-compatible wireless smartphone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, electronic parking brake, drive mode select, panoramic sunroof, power folding rear seats, black interior in great shape, manual rear door sunshades, rear entertainment system with the 11.6-inch LCD screens, rear heated seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.